Hello my olives, welcome back to my channel. The last time I did a curly hairstyles video, I had much shorter hair, so I thought I'd do an updated one with my current length. I call these easy hairstyles because you don't have to use a brush or a gel in any of these. I do a lot of short form tutorials on my Instagram and TikTok, but I thought I'll upload long form tutorials because I know it's hard to follow those really quick cut tutorials sometimes. Let's get into it. I'm going to start with probably every curly girl's favorite look, which is a curly messy bun. As my hair's gotten longer, the technique has slightly changed a bit. For a casual, more everyday messy bun, I like to use a satin scrunchie. I just buy these from my local hot dollar store. You can also get them from chemists or Amazon. I just feel like the satin scrunchies are a bit less harsh on my hair than a regular elastic. Now that my hair is longer, I add in a claw clip as well. We love to have two curly bits dangling at the front. So that's the first step, is to pull out the bits that you want. Now I'm going to scoop up all of my hair to the height that you want and hold it just slightly below where you want the actual bun. You're going to grab the ponytail and twist it to your right, holding it at the base so you've got like a little bun in your hand now. Then I tie that bun nice and tightly with the scrunchie. So you have something looking like this, which looks a bit funny right now, but we're going to fix it with the claw clip. Now with your large claw clip, you're going to kind of grab that bun and try to secure it into the base of your hair as much as you can. You want to use the claw clip to like secure the bun into place and also cover it up. Once you have the claw clip in place, that's it. So that's how I do my go-to curly bun these days. I think it works better if you have longer curls. If you watched my old videos, I would just tie it in a ponytail and it would be like a good bun length, but now it's a bit too long and it looks like an awkward length ponytail when I do that now. So I feel like this method also makes it look a bit more 90s inspired. Now I'm going to show you how I slightly modify this to make it more formal looking. If you want to wear a messy bun to like a wedding or a formal event, I'll show you how to make it look just a touch bit more classy. So you have your front bits out and then you want to pull out quite a large bit that's in front of your ear on both sides. So now you have the two ear bits and the two front bits. And do the same technique we did just before. But try and make the little bun bit as small as possible. The other one, it was alright because the claw clip was going to cover it, but with the formal style I want to make the bun just as small as possible. Then I use some bobby pins to secure the curls into place. This time we kind of fold the curls over the bun to conceal it and pin those into place. You can use the bobby pins to kind of flatten the bun into the back of your head as well so it doesn't stick out as much. And just play with the placement of the hair and the pins. Any hair that falls out at the bottom, you can use bobby pins to pin it back up. So this gives the same effect but without the claw clip. Once I'm done pinning it all down, I just zhuzh up the curls a bit. For more formal looks, I don't mind using a curling iron just to define the front bits and make them look extra shiny and defined. You could also just wet the bits and add some gel. So now they look a bit more defined. What I do is split these curls in half and put some behind my ear and leave the rest in front. I just feel like it makes it look like more effortless and loose. And that's how I make my messy bun look a bit more elegant and formal. I like it because it looks like you just threw your hair up. It didn't take much effort, which it didn't. I did that in 5 minutes. And if you're actually wearing this out, you could add a bit of gel onto the front bits so that they do stay in place. Also gel on any of these top bits that you want more defining, just to make sure everything stays in place and doesn't go frizzy. So that's my curly high bun tutorial done. Another favorite hairstyle of mine is a half up, half down look. It's really easy and I do have a new tip for this one. As always, we're going to pull out two front bits. We love to do this with curly hair because you want to show that you have curly hair straight off the bat. I'm getting the hair that's in front of my ears and I'm just scooping this top layer into a ponytail. You can have as much or as little as you want in the top ponytail. I guess it depends on how thick your hair is as well. And with my satin scrunchie, I'm tying it up into a ponytail. Don't tie it too high up on your head. This doesn't have to be too tight either. So that looks cute as it is, but to add more volume in the ponytail, I like to use this little trick. It's a small claw clip. And you just add it underneath the ponytail like so. You clip it in so that it gives the ponytail a bit more height and it sits higher up on your head. You could also just tie the ponytail higher on your head, but I feel like that will lose volume over the day, whereas in a clip, you've got that kind of extra volume all day. You know what I mean? I get a lot of questions about this hairstyle and see how easy it is. With all these hairstyles as well, you can add to them. So like these are the base styles, but then you can do this hairstyle and braid these front bits, add braids throughout the hair, add a headband to this look. The bun that I showed earlier, you could add little clips in to accessorize it more. Curly hair is fun, so you can play with it. Headbands are your best friend when you have curly hair. I like to use headbands like this, especially if the top of my hair is frizzy, if my front bits are out of whack. Even if your ends are a bit crazy and frizzy, I feel like adding a headband just makes you look cute. These headbands are nice and thick. So I have this headband in white, black, tan. I got them all from Princess Polly. I just like how thick they are because they will cover up that frizz that's on the top of your head. It's just a vibe. And then add some cute hoop earrings. She's cute. If you want to wear some front bits out, just pull them out. I know it's a very simple one, but I just wanted to remind you, headbands are a curly girl's best friend. This is another headband style. It's very summery, very Euro summer, but it's with a satin scarf. So you want to get a scarf that is square, so when you fold it in half, it will make a nice triangle shape. Sorry, I can't fit it in the screen, but we've got a very large triangle here. If the triangle's a bit big, you just want to fold it down a bit at the straight end. Then once you are happy with the size of the triangle, flip it on top of your head, place it on top of your head, and then flip your head upside down so you can tie the ends at the bottom. If you want the front bits out, you can leave them out, and you can pull the ties to the front to show off the scarf more. I think this is such a cute summer look, like this with a cute white sundress, and I'll show you from the back. This scarf is old from Petal and Pup. I know eBay have some, and lots of clothing boutique have cute patterned scarves. But yeah, it's so easy and so cute. Chef's kiss. For the last one today, I'm going to show you an alternative bun style, and with the added satin scarf, I'm going to tie a high ponytail with my satin scrunchie. So this is what it looks like with a high ponytail. Then with my little claw clip, I'm going to gather the ends of the ponytail and kind of join them all at the back of my head to form a bun shape, and just clipping that into place with the claw clip. So this just helps with long curly hair to shape it into a bun. And that's an alternative way to do the curly bun. Sometimes I do it this way on my socials. And when adding the scarf, the same thing, you need to fold it into a triangle. So this straight edge along here is going to go at the back bottom of your head, like so. Then you're going to tie the ends at the top of your head. The back might look like this, and you just want to fold the back inwards and then tighten it from the front. You've tied it once at the top, now you're gonna swap ends like this and tie a knot at the back. And now you have a scarf headband. I feel like this is really cute for summer. So cute! Thank you so much for watching. Let me know which hairstyle was your favorite, or if you have any hairstyle requests. I'll do a separate hairstyle video where I go through styles that require more brushing and gel and more slicked, refined looks. I hope this video helps you curlies out. As always, let me know what videos you want to see next on my channel down in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. I've got Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat if you want to check those out. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you very soon.